নমস্কাৰ এমিড ডে 10 ষ্টুডিঅ'ত মই কৃপাঞ্জল ৰাজবংশী লুইটৰ পাৰত মহাবাহু ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ ঐতিহ্য কেন্দ্ৰ মুকলি দেশৰ অসমত উপস্থিত হৈ দেশৰ উপৰাষ্ট্ৰপতি ভেংকয়া নাইডুৱে মুকলি কৰিলে এই ক্ষেত্ৰখন ৰাজ্যৰ ৰাজ্যপাল আৰু মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী উপস্থিত হৈছিল এই অনুষ্ঠানত বিহু গীত পৰিৱেশনেৰে উপৰাষ্ট্ৰপতিগৰাকীক আদৰণি জনোৱা হয় ইয়াৰ পিছতে উপৰাষ্ট্ৰপতি ভেংকয়া নাইডুৱে জিএমচিএইচৰ ৰাজ্যিক কৰ্কট প্ৰতিষ্ঠানত অংশগ্ৰহণ কৰে অত্যাধুনিক পিইটি এমআৰআই যন্ত্ৰ মুকলি কৰে তেওঁ সেই অনুষ্ঠানতে দেশৰ ভিতৰত চতুৰ্থটো পেট এমআৰআই যন্ত্ৰটো মুকলি কৰে নাইডুৱে ৬২ কোটি টকা ব্যয়েৰে অত্যাধুনিক যন্ত্ৰটো স্থাপন কৰা হৈছে জিএমচিএইচত ইয়াৰ পিছত শংকৰদেৱ কলাক্ষেত্ৰত গোপীনাথ বৰদলৈ বঁটা প্ৰদান কৰিব নাইডুৱে আমি তেওঁৰ খবৰাৱলী জনাইছো পুৱাৰ পৰা আমি দেখুৱাই আহিছো তেওঁ অসমত উপস্থিত হোৱাৰ কথা আছিল কেইবালানিও তেওঁ অনুষ্ঠানত অংশগ্ৰহণ কৰিব আৰু তাৰ পাছতে এতিয়া লুইটৰ পাৰৰ মহাবাহু ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ ঐতিহ্য কেন্দ্ৰ মুকলি কৰে দেশৰ উপৰাষ্ট্ৰপতিগৰাকীয়ে ৰাজ্যৰ ৰাজ্যপাল আৰু মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী উপস্থিত আছিল এই উন্মোচনী অনুষ্ঠানত বিহু গীত পৰিৱেশনেৰে উপৰাষ্ট্ৰপতিগৰাকীক আদৰণি জনোৱা হয় ইয়াৰ পিছতে উপৰাষ্ট্ৰপতিগৰাকীয়ে জিএমচিএইচৰ ৰাজ্যিক কৰ্কট প্ৰতিষ্ঠানত অংশগ্ৰহণ কৰে আৰু অত্যাধুনিক পেট এমআৰআই যন্ত্ৰ মুকলি কৰে আমি পোনপটীয়া সম্প্ৰচাৰলৈ লৈ যাম মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰীয়ে ভাষণ প্ৰদান কৰিছে
Those are the state government exclusive project. So far as the larger plan of Assam Cancer Care Project, we join hand with Tata Trust. While Tata Trust is contributing the equipment part of the scheme, state government is taking care of entire civil construction. This project was inaugurated in 2018 by Honorable Home Minister Sri Amit Shah and the Chairman of Tata Trust Sri Ratan Tata in presence of His Excellency Governor of Assam. Since then we have made rapid stride. Had it not been COVID pandemic, probably we would have inaugurated all these hospitals by now. But in spite of COVID pandemic, now we are ready with our plan and we are going to roll out all these hospitals in a single day before December 2021, or maybe there might be 1 or 2 months delay, but at any rate we are going to complete it before March 2022. The Guwahati Cancer Care Institute or Cancer Care Institute in Guwahati Medical College will be the apex hospital in entire Sindh. I am very happy to inform all of you that there are hardly any cancer hospital in the government sector where you will get LINAC, you will get tomotherapy, for diagnostic you have PET-CT, PET MRI, all the advanced equipment has been brought in this hospital to showcase as it is one of the best, not only in the northeastern region, in the entire eastern part of the country. Even the important component of other to run PET MRI, PET-CT, FDGB and other all material are being produced indigenously here in Guwahati Medical College, and we are providing that to the other part of the northeastern region. This program has been linked with 2 important schemes of Government of India and Government of Assam. We all know that Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji has launched the biggest insurance scheme of the world, that is Ayushman Bharat, Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat. So our cancer hospital gives affordable medical treatment to our patients because we have the advantage of Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat scheme. But Assam's story goes beyond that. Not only we give treatment to the beneficiary of Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat, we have conceived our own insurance scheme called Atal Amrit Abhijan to give specific coverage, particularly in neurosurgery, neurological, cardiovascular and cancer, etc. in those critical diseases, up to the people who earn rupees 5 lakhs annually. That means we are covering 92% of our population either by Ayushman Bharat or Atal Amrit Abhijan. That is a win-win situation for both the hospital and patient, and we are running this cancer care program taking complete leverage out of these two schemes. Assam also present a unique scenario in case of healthcare sector as a whole. Sometime back, Pradhan Mantri ji has given some kind of appeal that every district should have a medical college. There were generous grant from Government of India also to convert district hospital to medical colleges. We have taken full advantage of the scheme and we have traveled beyond by combining both resources from the state government and from the Government of India. We have already commissioned 5 medical colleges. We had 3 medical colleges. We have commissioned 5 medical colleges. 7 medical colleges are in advanced stage of construction. And in the last budget, we have approved another 8 more, taking the combined strength of medical college in Assam to 23. In fact, every old district, if we exclude the recently created district of last 3-4 years, if we exclude those, that every district will have a medical college, and all these medical colleges will be in government sector. We are running well almost 8 medical colleges, and we are going to run all these 23 medical colleges under the government sector. During the COVID-19 period, we are extremely grateful to our medical fraternity that we have kept our mortality below 1% throughout the period. Assam has earned unique distinction of giving oxygen not only to our patients, to the complete satisfaction of everyone. We have shared oxygen during those periods of time with other northeastern region, and that has actually was a big contribution from people of Assam to our sister state. We have given injection like Remdesivir not only to the people of Assam, we have provided Remdesivir across India to the residents of Assam or the Assamese people who are residing in other part of the country. We have launched 3 important schemes post-COVID. One important scheme that we are taking care of all the orphans who are basically victims of the pandemic. We have ensured that there is a monthly steady income to all of them, and also free education and all other assistance like providing laptop, everything we have taken care of. We have started a COVID widow scheme, and we are giving rupees 2.5 lakhs to every widow or each and one of our mothers and sisters who lost their nearest kin or their husband during the pandemic. We have not stopped there. We have traveled beyond, and now we are giving rupees 1 lakhs to each and every person to the family of each and every person who has died during the last 2 COVID pandemic. So Assam has expanded its net not only in the cancer care, generally in the health sector. We have started cancer program, we have started insurance program, we have expanded our medical colleges, and we have expanded many of schemes which give strength to the poor and needy during the time of crisis. Taking advantage of Honorable Vice President of India, I would like to again thank my medical fraternity for the unmatched service they have provided during the COVID period. And I am sure that this dedication will continue, and we will always see the best part of our medical fraternity also in the days to come. Coming back to this project, recently we have inaugurated a new radiation therapy block with tomotherapy and LINAC machine. We were honored to have this block inaugurated by our Honorable Union Home Minister, Sri Amit Shah ji, on July 25, 2021. Today we are honored to have our Honorable Vice President of India, Sri Venkaiah Naidu ji to inaugurate PET MRI Center at State Cancer Institute. It is indeed a proud moment for us to have such an advanced nuclear medicine treatment facility for cancer patients of not only Assam but also to the entire northeastern region. I am sure that this facility will go a long way to alleviate the sufferings of our cancer patients. I congratulate the entire team at State Cancer Institute and wish the institute a bright future. Thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.
We thank
Honorable
Honorable Chief
Guwahati
Minister of Assam.
মেডিকেল কলেজ হাস্পতালৰ পৰা JMCHৰ পৰা মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মাই ইতিমধ্যে ভাষণ ৰাখিলে তেওঁ অত্যাধুনিক সা সুবিধা সন্দৰ্ভত কেইবাটাও বক্তব্য আগবঢ়ালে লগতে এম ভেংকায়া নাইডুৱে ইতিমধ্যে মুকলি কৰিলে পেট MRI মহাবাহু ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ ঐতিহ্য ক্ষেত্ৰও তেওঁ মুকলি কৰিলে তাৰ পাছতেই তেওঁ আন কেইবাটাও কাৰ্যসূচী গুৱাহাটীত সম্পন্ন কৰি শ্বিলঙলৈ যাব শ্বিলঙৰ পৰা তেওঁ মিজোৰামলৈ যাব আৰু তাৰ পাছত পুনৰ গুৱাহাটীলৈ আহি তেওঁ ৰাওনা হ'ব নতুন দিল্লী অভিমুখে ইতিমধ্যে কাৰ্যসূচী যিগৰাকীয়ে চিকিৎসাৰ সেৱাৰ সৈতে জড়িত প্ৰতিগৰাকী লোকক মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰীগৰাকীয়ে ভাষণ প্ৰসংগত ধন্যবাদ জ্ঞাপন কৰে তেওঁলোকৰ বাবে প্ৰয়োজনীয় আৰু দৰিদ্ৰ লোকসকলে ইতিমধ্যে কেইবাটাও সেৱা লাভ কৰিছে গুৱাহাটীত ইতিমধ্যে এম ভেংকায়া নাইডু উপৰাষ্ট্ৰপতিগৰাকী উপস্থিত হোৱাৰ পাছৰে পৰাই তিনিটাকৈ অনুষ্ঠানত তেওঁ ইতিমধ্যে ভাগ লৈছে মহাবাহু ব্ৰহ্মপুত্ৰ ঐতিহ্য ক্ষেত্ৰত তেওঁ মুকলি কৰিছে JMCHত মুকলি কৰিছে তেওঁ পেট MRI তাৰপিছত তেওঁ কলাক্ষেত্ৰত যাব য'ত গোপীনাথ বৰদলৈ বঁটা প্ৰদান কৰিব তেওঁ তাৰপিছতে শ্বিলঙলৈ যাব শ্বিলঙৰ পৰা মিজোৰামলৈ যাব উপৰাষ্ট্ৰপতিগৰাকী